Jojo Knows Cooking by Giovanna Schlossenberg. It's Monday night and Jojo wants to surprise the boys with a home-cooked meal. She's been waiting to surprise them with her cooking for a while. "Jojo!" yells Brian. He runs into the kitchen with a fire extinguisher ready for action. There goes another dinner. Jojo is crying in her hands and is very sad. She almost caused the house to burn down. "It's okay, Jojo," says Chase. "You burned the spaghetti last week and we ate it. This week it just has that fire stuff Dad sprayed on it. It's kind of like Parmesan." Jojo is silent. She knows it's not okay. However, this is a good time for Jojo to learn what she could have done differently. "Brian," says Jojo softly, "what is that fire stuff you sprayed on the food, and where did you learn how to use that thing?" Brian turns to Jojo very seriously and answers all of her questions. All of them. "Dear Diary, I wish I were a better cook, Jojo." "That thing is called a fire extinguisher, and that fire stuff is called carbon dioxide," says Brian calmly. "It's a gas and it drives oxygen away from the fire. Then I use the fire extinguisher and PASS. I pull, aim, squeeze and sweep." Chase understands and gives his dad a thumbs up. But Jojo has more questions. "Who made you the expert?" says Jojo smiling. "My buddy Matt is a firefighter and he told me how it works. If I don't know something, I ask. And I didn't know, so I asked Matt." Matt is Brian's firefighter friend. He's also a first responder. Matt is a hero. He saves lives and knows what to do in emergency situations like fire. Brian is happy to share the things he learned from Matt with his family. The next morning, Chase and Jojo are eating cereal and watching one of Chase's favourite YouTube shows, Chef Rosier Sabor with Chef Rosier. Every week, Chef Rosier hosts a contest, and every week the rules are different. "What is this?" asks Jojo. Jojo doesn't know what YouTube is. "It's YouTube, and that's Chef Rosier," says Chase excitedly. "She's about to announce the contest rules for this week. Maybe you could enter." Jojo doesn't think there's any cooking contest she could ever win. "I think I might be the worst cook ever, and I mean ever," says Jojo sadly. She looks down at her frosted flakes. "At least they're great." Hoping to cheer Jojo up, Chase turns up the volume as the contest rules are about to be announced. Good morning, friends. Thank you for tuning in to another episode of Chef Rosier Sabor. I'm your host, Chef Rosier. This week, I'm looking for the worst cook in America. Have you ever burned an entire meal? Have you ever cried from ruining a meal? Has a fire extinguisher ever been used as an end result of your cooking? Remember, friends, I know you can't cook, but I can. Let me help. Excitement fills the room. Chase jumps around. "This is the opportunity we've been waiting for. I've been watching Chef Rosier for over a year. She has 1 million followers and 200 episodes. She's going to save our family and our bellies." Jojo loves when Chase gets excited. "Do you think I qualify?" asks Jojo seriously. "You qualify 100%. You might even win," Jojo and Chase read all of the contest rules. Chase knows and remembers to read all of the information. Contest rules. Subscribe to Chef Rosia Sabor YouTube channel. Follow Chef Rosia Sabor and like your favorite Chef Rosia food post. Tag Chef Rosia in a post of your cooking with a friend. Write a poem about cooking and mail it to Chef Rosia. Grand prize. Chef Rosia makes the Instagram post you liked. Live stream with you and your family. Contest cooking poem. I wish I knew how to cook. I wish I knew how long it took. Food is so yummy. I'm excited when it reaches my tummy. Please teach me how to cook something for breakfast and lunch. Just like the Instagram picture I liked, I think you call it brunch. To be continued.